My dream is of a place and a time where world once again be seen at the last best hope of earth. The tree of liberty must be refreshed from time to time with the blood of patriot and martyrdom. Let everyone know whether he wishes us well or ill, that we shall pay any price, bear any burden, meet any hardship, spot any friend, oppose any foe to assure the survival and perfect of liberty. The nation will remain the land of the free only so long as it is the home of the brave. The patriot volunteer, fighting for the country and his rights, make the most reliable soldier on the earth. Make the auditorium vibrant with your clappings to encourage the students of class 6 boys for the performance on Tere, sipahi hain.